कॉमर्स क्लास 12 बिजनेस स्टडीज। वेलकम बैक। मैं सुरेंद्र चौधरी। इस चैनल पे आपके सिलेबस के अनुसार यदि ये सारे लेसन बिजनेस स्टडीज बुक से पढ़ना है तो देर किस बात की। पर इस वीडियो में हम लोग लेसन नंबर यह पढ़ेंगे। आई होप जिसे अच्छा रिजल्ट या लाइफ में कुछ कर दिखाना है वो मौज मस्ती छोड़ सीरियस पढ़ाई में लगे होंगे। आप किसी भी बोर्ड के स्टूडेंट हैं, खास करके बिहार बोर्ड या सीबीएसई बोर्ड, जहां ऑब्जेक्टिव मल्टीपल चूज क्वेश्चन, वन वर्ड टू द पॉइंट आंसर वाले क्वेश्चन का इंजीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामिंग द्वारा लेसन वाइज रिवीजन, वो भी बहुत ही कम समय में, एक लेसन ओनली 10 मिनट्स में, एक बुक लगभग 2 आवर्स में एंड ऑल बुक लगभग 12 to 15 आवर्स में। जैसे देखिए एक एग्जाम्पल, इन विच कंट्री ताजमहल इज लोकेटेड। ताजमहल किस देश में स्थित है। यदि आप क्वेश्चन सोचने में 5 सेकंड से ज़्यादा समय लेना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो के होल्ड बटन को पॉज करें। तो करें क्विज क्वेश्चन एंड प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।
Business environment is a group of dash powers. Right option is D, special and general. Which of the following is not included in special powers of the business environment? Right option is A, technical situations. Which of the following has got the first mover advantage? B, Goodless Merolac. Which of the following is available in time with the help of the study of the environment? Right option is C, warning signal. The study of environment makes available dash resources. Right option is D, useful. With the help of the study of business environment, an organization can improve its dash. Right option is C, present and future. ITC Hotels made a study of the business environment and plan to open dash in India and abroad. Right option is B, hotels. Which of the following is undergoing quick changes? Right option is D, all of these. Which of the following is not a part of the internal environment? Right option is A, customers. Which of the following is included in the microeconomy environment, operating environment or general environment? The right option is C, suppliers and competitors. A firm should make efforts that it has dash type of customers. Right option is D, many. Which of the following is included under the macro environment or general environment? Right option is D, all the above. Which of the following is included in the economic environment? Right option is D, all the above. Determination of the economic policies is for the purpose of regulating dash. Right option is D. Economic activities. Under which environmental effect IBM and Coca-Cola had to leave India? Wow! Right option is A. Political. Which of the following is a factor of the social environment of business?
एक दिन मैं भी ऐसी मर्सिडीज खरीदूंगा.
Right option is D. All the above. Which component of business environment resulted in the relaxation of ban imposed on the foreign direct investment? Wow! Right option is D. Legal regulatory environment. Which of the following deals with the process of simplification of import and export? Right option is A. Liberalization. With the introduction of photostat machine in the market, the carbon paper industry was adversely affected. Which component of environment was responsible for it? Right option is C. Technical. Reducing the role of public sector and increasing the role of private sector fall under dash. Right option is B. Privatization. In all the countries, there is a free law of goods and services. Under which of the following does it come? Right option is D. Globalization. Under industrial policy, the role of dash has been decided. Right option is C. Public sector and private sector. The income and expenditure policy of the government is called dash. Right option is A. Fiscal policy. Under dash, the Reserve Bank keeps control on the money supply in order to achieve the objectives of the general economic policy. Right option is B. Monetary policy. Trade policy brings under control the dash. Right option is C. Foreign trade. Price control means that the companies will sell goods on the dash price. Right option is A. Government. The entry of the multinational companies in large numbers in the Indian market has created dash. Right option is C. Tough competition. With which of the following the Indian companies have to compete? Right option is D. All the above. As a result of the economic reforms, the seller market has been replaced by dash. Right option is A. Buyer market. These days, companies cannot avoid investing in dash. Right option is C. Research and development. Which factor is not included in the internal environment? Right option is C. Public. Dash is included in economic environment. Right option is Which factor is not included in microenvironment? Right option is D, production capacity. Which of the following does not characterize the business environment? Right option is B, employees. Which of the following best indicates the importance of business environment? Right option is D, all of them. Which of the following is an example of social environment? Right option is D, composition of family. Which of the following does not explain the impact of government policy changes on business and industry? The right option is liberalization means right option is B, reduced government control.
नेक्स्ट लेसन या नेक्स्ट वॉल्यूम देखने के लिए अभी आने वाले इस वीडियो लिंक पर टच करें या प्रीवियस वीडियो देखने के लिए वीडियो के प्रीवियस लिंक पे टच करें। प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। अपने दोस्तों के व्हाट्सएप या फेसबुक ग्रुप में अधिक से अधिक वीडियो शेयर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।